Minu was a sweet, lovable, and beautiful girl, aged 6 years. She was an adorable kid, as she always obeyed her elders. Minu's parents loved her for her amazing behavior. One day, Minu's mother took her for grocery shopping. As they passed the shops, Minu noted a cute plastic pearl necklace in dazzling pink. She asked her mother to buy her the necklace. Her mother told her that it cost quite a few pennies. She asked her to do some course so that for every completed piece of work, Minu would get some money and she could buy the pink necklace. Minu prepared a to-do list and assisted her mom with all the chores. Her mom was very happy and she paid enough money to buy the pink necklace. Minu happily purchased the necklace and wore it just everywhere every time except while taking bath. Her mother said that her neck would turn pink and the pearls would lose their shine if she wore it while bathing. But all other times Minu wore it, even while sleeping. Minu's father used to tell her bedtime stories frequently. One night, after completing a story, her dad asked how much she loved him. Minu replied, "You know how much I love you." Dad asked, "Then give me your pearl necklace, please." Minu replied, "Please, Daddy, I love you so much, but please don't ask for these pearls. I will give you the pink Barbie which you bought me a month ago." Dad replied, "Fine, sweetheart." After a few days, the conversation was repeated between Minu and her dad. Again, Minu refused to give her pearl necklace, instead asked her dad to take her pet. Dad kissed her and left with a smile. This was repeated several times. One day, Minu slept while her dad was reading her a story. She was holding the necklace in her hands. Her dad took the pearl necklace from her hand. The next moment, she woke up and asked, "Dad, what are you doing?" Dad quickly opened a jewel box, placed near her bed, and handed her a real precious pink pearl necklace. He said, "Sweetheart, this is your necklace. I wanted to take away the fake one all this while to give you this real one." She replied, "Thank you, Dad." Minu immediately gave up her fake necklace for the real one. God wants us to give up all the fake and cheap things we consider very precious in our life. It can be habits, harming relationships, negative thoughts, etc. He will provide us with genuine things if we give up the fake.